Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. Very good morning, friends. So let us start today's class. In today's class, our subject is strength of materials. Okay, today's class we are going to discuss strength of materials. So this material will be definitely helpful for your assistant engineering exam conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, friends. So if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Please support our channel. So let us start today's class. Okay. So as I told you, today we are going to discuss strength of materials. Right. Now we will start. We will go into our discussion. Strength of subject is strength of materials. Right. So we will start now. Material is ready now. Okay. Right. The center of gravity of an equilateral triangle with each side A is A by 2 root 3 from any of the three sides. Okay. The center of gravity of hemisphere lies at a distance of 3r by 8 from its base measured along the vertical radius. The center of gravity of a right circular cone of diameter d and height h lies at a distance of h by 4 from the base measured along the vertical radius. The circular hole of radius r is cut out from a circular disc of radius 2r in such a way that the diagonal of the hole is the radius of the disc. The center of gravity of the section lies at somewhere in the disk. Okay, friends. See, as I told you in the last class, in the exam we may get some questions related to opinion based. Okay, so a mechanical oriented question will be given in the form of a paragraph. In that paragraph, the author, the examiner will be asking us to give us our opinion. So in that case we have to read it properly. So after reading it we should understand what is the data present in that paragraph or in that statement. After understanding it properly, then only we should come to one conclusion whether it is yes or no, or sometimes options will be yes or no, sometimes option will be agree or disagree, like that. Okay, so if the question ends with a question mark, like that, we can understand these are opinion based questions. So we have to read it properly. Until so these type of questions means until and unless if we don't know the basics, if we don't know the fundamentals, we cannot come to one conclusion regarding these type of questions. Okay, so remember friends, negative mark is there. Always remember negative mark in your mind and proceed to your preparation. Okay, right. Now we'll continue. If the area of a section is uh, is in square and the distance of the center of area from a line is in then units of the moment of inertia of the section about the line is expressed in to the power 4. Theorem of perpendicular axis is used in obtaining the moment of inertia of a square lamina. The moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter d is given by the relation pi by 64 d2 into d to the power 4. The moment of inertia of a triangular section of base b and height h about an axis through its center of gravity and parallel to the base is given by the relation bh to the power 3 by 36. The moment of inertia of a triangular base section of base B and height h about an axis passing through its vertex and parallel to the base is 9 times as that passing through its center of gravity and parallel to the base. A framed structure is perfect if the number of members are equal to 2j minus 3 where j is the number of joints. A redundant frame is also called imperfect frame. A a framed structure of a triangular shape is perfect. In a cantilever truss, it is very essential to find out the reactions before analyzing it. So this is the statement here given for us. So in a cantilever truss, it is very essential to find out the reactions before analyzing it. So before analyzing it, it is very essential to find out the reactions means it is disagree. Okay, so here we can go for disagree with this statement. Okay, so like that we might expect these type of questions in your examination. Now continuing the same classwork, here the space diagram of a framed structure must have all the loads and reactions. The Bose notation is used in case of simply supported structure, cantilever structure, structures with one end hinged and the others supported. If in a vector diagram any 2 points coincide, then the force in the member represented by the two letters is zero. In a graphical method for analyzing the perfect frames, it is possible to check the previous work in any subsequent step. In a cantilever beam is subjected to a point load at its free end, then the shear force under the point load is equal to the load. The bending moment at the free end of a cantilever beam carrying any type of load is 0. The bending moment at the center of a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load is WL square by 8, where W is uniformly distributed load and L is span of the beam. When shear force at a point is 0, then bending moment at that point will be maximum. The point of contraflexure is a point where bending moment changes sign. Okay, the neutral axis of a section is an axis at which the bending stress is 0. In the theory of simply bending, the bending stress in the beam section varies linearly. Okay, when a cantilever is loaded at its free end, maximum compressive stress shall develop at bottom fiber. The section modulus of a rectangular section having width b and depth d is bd square by 6. The section modulus of a circular section of diameter d is pi by 32 d cube. So T section and Z section is a composite section. Okay, T section and Z section is a composite section. A beam of uniform strength has constant bending moment. Okay, a beam of uniform strength has constant bending moment. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. I think today's class is very helpful for your assistant engineering exam preparation. So if you are not started your preparation, okay, so all the class work going on in our channel is definitely helpful for you to start your preparation. And if you have completed your preparation, then definitely this notes or this material will be helpful for you as revision also. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. Please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel, please discuss with your friends regarding the class work going on in our channel. Okay, so we need your support. So your support gives us lot of encouragement to prepare more material. Okay, so thank you very much, thank you for watching.